Hello, thanks for tuning in. Today we've got a demonstration of this vintage German coffee grinder dating from 1930s, I would say. Not sure of the maker. I mean, we've got a badge on it and the badge appears to have the initials MS or SM. There is one maker called Sternmüller, Star Grinders. Could be that one, but anyway, I don't have any definitive information right now. So of course it's a manual conical burr coffee grinder, and as you can see, the interesting thing is on this one that it's been decorated. Not that unusual to see a coffee grinder decorated in this way in Germany. It's even quite interesting. I think we've got some sort of a chicken and flower motif there. We've got a Russian doll on the back. Chicken and vegetation repeats itself. Flowers and hearts on the front, flowers on the top. So it is what it is. Anyway, demonstration and test. As we always do, we're going to put the grinder on its finest setting and we're going to grind 7 grams of coffee. So the adjuster on this one is on the bottom of the mechanism, and the nice thing about these older grinders is the way when you get the burrs just touching, they just kind of purr. So there we have it, it's on the finest setting. Let's see how it does with 7 grams of coffee, both with respect to how fast it grinds and also the fineness of the grinder. No button on the hopper cover, so my cold fingers can't quite grip it. So there, that was just around about 50, slightly over 50 possibly. So it's a reasonably fast grinder. For me, I would say under 40 turns would make it fast. Let's have a look at the grind. Yeah, it's a nice, fine grind. Let's see, it compacts nicely there. Really nice. So there we have it. 1930s grinder of unclear origins, decorated in a vernacular rural German style. Thank you very much for watching. Feel free to have a look at the links at the end of the video and in the description, and happy grinding.